Hi Gineers! Welcome to the Ginee channel. For this video, we will give you a tutorial on how to copy your master products to your online stores such as Shopee and Lazada. By copying your master products, you can easily publish it to your online stores across different marketplace channels. Just a reminder, Gineers, if the currency you set on your master product and target shop are different, the system will automatically convert it according to the currency type you set on your target shop. For example, the currency type of your master product is Singapore dollars, but you will copy it to your Shopee Philippines store. The product will be listed in Philippine peso. Also, if the product price is lower than the price range after the conversion, the product price will be set to the minimum price of the marketplace channel. Let's now start with the tutorial, Gineers. First, go to the Master Product menu and select Master Product List. Select which master products you want to copy. Once you're done selecting the master products, click the Copy Listing button found at the bottom part of the page. Once this pop-up appears, select which marketplace channel and store you want to copy the products you selected. You can select multiple stores per marketplace channel. A pop-up will appear, which tells you that your selected products have been copied successfully. You can click Draft if you want to draft the products, but you can also click Edit Now, which will direct you to the product list page where you will see the products you selected and edit the categories and other attributes. Once you're done filling in the categories and attributes, click Save and Next. It will direct you to this page where you can double-check the product information of the products you selected. If you're not yet done editing the product details, you can save it as draft first. But if you want to proceed with publishing your products, you can continue by clicking Publish. Then click Continue to publish. Congratulations! Your products have been published successfully. Good luck, Gineers!